how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. Now, in order to do this, first you will need to sign into Google AI Studio. Then from the left hand side, choose Build. Then you will click on Your Apps, and here just choose the app which you want to connect to GitHub. Once you open up the app itself, then from here you should see the GitHub logo in the top right, and you just want to click on Sync to GitHub. This is going to open up a new page which is going to ask us to sign into GitHub to continue. So I'm just going to do that real quick. I'm going to click on Continue with Google, choose my account, and right here you will see Install and Authorize. For these repositories, you just want to leave it as it is, and you will click on Install and Authorize. Once you have done this, then it should automatically connect it. If you get this error, then I have a separate video for it. I will leave it as a pinned comment. And once you complete what I've shown you in that video, it is gonna automatically sync it to GitHub. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.